guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to attempt to do not necessarily a plan with me, but just a pre-plan with me. I'm pretty much just setting up my, what do we call it? Just trying to set up my base. So I want to show you real quick I just want to show you guys which kit I'm going to be using for September 8th through October 4th. This is the Showtime weekly kit from, of course, GoldPaperPrints. I will have this link down below, as well as the haul where I go into full detail of what is actually included in this kit. I do always get the 6-page kit as well as these 3 add-ons, but this right here I've been using for my monthly, which I love, and then I use these in my weekly. So let me go ahead and I'm just gonna flip through super fast, but if you want more details you can go to my haul, and then also follow me on Instagram if you want to see if there's a sale going on. And also don't forget to mention me and use Chelsea25 for 25% off in between sales. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and do my base. I'm not going to talk. It is very early in the morning, so I'm going to just go ahead and do the base and speed through. is the final layout, just the base things that I'm planning on doing every week. I didn't realize until last second, after I was already done with all this, that my camera, of course, died. So there's gonna be a lot of footage that is missing, but here is the final look. This again is the Showtime weekly kit from, of course, GoldPaperPrints. I will make sure to link everything down below, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be, if I remember, a plan with me. Don't forget to thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications. Thanks, guys.